Most traders fail, not because the market is too hard, but because their mindset gets in the way. You trade from fear, from stress, from impatience, and everything falls apart. You exit too early, chase entries, close winners before they reach the target. Not because the setup was wrong, because you didn't fully trust your plan. You need to upgrade yourself, clear the emotion, focus only on your model, your rules, your logic, not fear, not greed, not impatience. You were up, then the price pulled back. You panicked, exited, and it went exactly where you expected. Why? Because you let doubt take over. Ask yourself, why did you enter the trade? Has the reason changed? If nothing broke the logic, why abandon the trade? Your growth comes from holding through controlled discomfort, like building real muscle. Slow, steady, disciplined effort. That's where strength comes from. Small losses create doubt. Doubt leads to impulsive decisions. Impulsiveness destroys accounts. The solution? A risk model. 2 losing trades per day maximum. Reduce size after a loss. Trade what you see, not what you fear. Remove the profit/loss numbers from your screen. Focus on price. Candlesticks, the setup, not the numbers going up or down. You cannot blow an account if you respect these rules. You're not emotionless. You're disciplined, unaffected by emotion when making decisions. If a loss happens, accept it. Reassess. Wait for the next valid setup. Patience is your weapon, not speed. Discipline, confidence, consistency. You won't become a master in a month, maybe not in 6, but if you follow the process, you will see the market clearly. You will execute without hesitation. Every challenge is temporary. Every setback, a lesson. Every disciplined day brings you closer to the trader you want to be. Stay patient. Stay focused. Stay disciplined. Your time is coming.